guys, Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today we are talking about great impacts in kitchens. So what I love about this kitchen is the wallpaper. You know, I love wallpaper. People have such mixed opinions about wallpaper, but I am a wallpaper fanatic. I love it. I think it's so impactful. It makes great statements. It's bold, it's vibrant. It can also be very soft and easy on the eye like this one is. It doesn't have to be something that's like in your face. That's why I love wallpaper, because there's so many different ways to style it. But this kitchen has a subway tile, simple subway tile going vertical, and then they have the wallpaper, and they also put the wallpaper inside of the cabinet, which is so chic and pretty and adds dimension, as you can see, but it also accentuates the kitchen and makes it look super luxurious and designed. So this is something that you could easily do if you have a space, because they only tiled underneath the vent hood and across, and then up to the top. They use Schluter to section it off, which we all know that makes everything look more finished. Schluter are these metal pieces that are end caps on tile, and then they use the wallpaper all the way around. So it looks very fancy and it makes everything look really finished out and luxurious. This is so easy to do. Again, keep in mind that wallpaper does not have to be expensive. There's options on, even Sherwin-Williams has it, Amazon. You can get wallpaper from anywhere. I'll tag a few of my favorites, but this is Fancy Fridays for today, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.